Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to hide who I follow on X. Okay, so actually making your account private on X is the key to locking down the following list. Let me show you how to do it. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in the side menu you have to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to section privacy and safety, and from here select audience and tagging section. Now find option protect your posts, which is right at the top, and you want to turn this feature on. So now your account is private, and basically non-followers cannot see your following list, who you follow on X. And also your posts are now private. Only your approved followers on X can see them. And also if someone new wants to follow you on X, you will get follow requests that you have to approve manually. So you can find it if you tap your profile picture in the top left, and in the side menu go to section follower requests. And from here you can manage your new followers on X if you have your account private. So yeah, unfortunately, making your account is the only option if you want to hide who you follow on X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.